my heater kicked on again. See, I came out, well, at first when it wasn't cranked, I just ran back up and called y'all. But I came out and I shook some cables and I looked, I see the corrosion on them, and I said, well, maybe I need to pour.
Get some hot water. Get some hot water and pour on that. Some hot water. Pour some hot water on that right now. That can come off. Okay. Yeah, I don't see.
I just shook them and they crank up.
Yeah, pour some hot water on that. That can come off. That battery needs to be changed. That battery is leaking. All that stuff on top of that battery. That battery is leaking, so that battery needs to be changed.
Check that out. But do I need to sign something?
No, I can take some pictures right now.
Okay. Just get your little feel or something.
Man, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it, Mr.
I know it, son. I know it.
You been all right, huh?
Yeah, hanging in there. Where I work with you at?
You done work with me a whole bunch of times. Everywhere. Remember we first, what year was the first time I met you? In Gonzales. In Gonzales, remember, on side of the interstate. On
You came out and helped me up there in Gonzales.
In Gonzales, and then you sent me to take care of your friend over there on
That's right, over there by off of government.
Yeah, off of government.
She was in my truck.
This the truck she was in? Okay.
She was in my truck. I don't even fuck with that crazy old mother.
What you did with the SUV?
It's at my house.
It was at your house? Okay.
Yeah, I need an alternator on this.
Oh man, that's all you need?
Yeah, you do that?
Yeah, I do that too, man.
I'll call you. Let you put an alternator on there. Got the battery, messing my battery up. I got a new battery. The alternator messing up.
Yeah, the alternator messing up. Yeah, we do that too, man.
Last time I called you, you said you was out of town.
I was out of town, yeah. Yup.
I don't know. But that's another number, because that number I have for you ain't the same number that you just called. I called you from. I got your name under that thing, man. And that's another number.
Oh, the number you got me saved on. You might have me under one of my personal numbers. Yeah. That's my business number right there.
Oh, okay. Well, okay.
You just recently had a
the number that I just called you from, that ain't the same number. I got your name on that phone. That's how I was able to call you when my girl had my truck. I called you, and now you calling me. This number ain't even locked in my phone.
Ain't locked in your phone? Yeah. You must have one of my personal numbers then.
Oh, okay. Well,